Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I have to say, my eyes are still healing and it's driving me crazy, and I'll tell you why. I'm so ready for eyeshadows. Y'all, I don't have on any earrings or any rings. What's happening to me? Where is my fashion sense? Okay. So, I'm doing a haul, as you can see in the title, and it's just a bunch of stuff, so rather than talk and have y'all just look at me, I'll just show y'all and show y'all and show y'all stuff. How about that? Okay, one of the first things that I have tried, let me show you the old one first, that I liked so much that I thought, you know, I like this almost as much as my Chanel. It is the Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick by Maybelline, and this particular color that I was using was Lover, which is color number 15. This is a very mauve-y color, okay? So I decided to go get it in a little bit more rust tone, and that is this one. And I thought it might be closer to my Chanel tone. So what do y'all think? Is it closer? Well, it's definitely closer, but is it close enough? I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? So, because I was there, I looked at a red, and it was actually a very pretty red. So, oh, sorry. That color that I just showed you was color number 80, ruler. Like, either a ruler, snap, on your, you know, to measure things. I say snap because it used to be put on my teacher's hand to get your attention. Or, you know, like a ruler, like a king. Anyway, okay. Or this color, which is Pioneer number 20. And it is a red. But it's a really pretty matte red. So if you're going to do a red lip, first of all, I suggest a black and white outfit when you do a red this strong. I guess there's others, like yellow and like a medium pink. Not blue, not green, not purple. I would wear one of these instead. Yeah, it takes something special to wear red, this red, but I like it. It's a true red. I mean, just really strong. I'm not going to put it on right now, but I was fixing to put this on, and I thought, you know, I'll go ahead and try this on, because y'all have seen this before. And this is new, and I'll go ahead and try it. Now, it's darker. I like the little applicator. It's like, it's not a doe foot. It's a, it is a, like a doe foot texture, but there's a little kind of like circle in the middle that's like a little divot, and so it gets product in it. And y'all, it makes for like a perfect spread of lipstick. Look at that. Very good spread. I never get this side right. I don't know why that is. This is a little less product. There. And Bree says hi. Okay, so that is a very dark color. Yeah. So that's my dark look. It's kind of like, again, it's called ruler. It's kind of like, I don't know what I would call it. But do you see how on the wet part of your lip it doesn't stick as good? So this is why you would have to carry it in your purse all day. It stays on all day, and if you forget, like this color is so close to the color of my lip, I even forgot I had it on. I woke up the next morning and still had it on after I used makeup remover. I didn't even realize it. Alright. Look. There. Did I get it good? Did I get too far down there? Okay, get it good, because once it dries, it is on. I mean, it is on all day. It isn't coming off. It does not have a moisture look. It has a matte look. So just remember that. Whereas this Once you put it on, it looks like this too, but then on the other end, it has the high gloss. And somebody might look at that and go, well, why don't you just use the high gloss from your Chanel? If you're paying this much for Chanel, you might as well use the whole thing. And the convenience of the fact that it's in one piece, which is one of the things I love about it. That actually, I think, needs to go back in my purse. But now, for today, this will. I can't tell if I went too high on that side. Y'all, it's so hard to tell. It's sort of like your eyebrows, your lips. It's just the Cupid's bow peaks. And also, for some reason, I think it's just the way my muscles work in my face. This appears to be higher. So that when I try to, overcompensate, I don't know what happens. It's just weird. Is y'all's mouth weird? Comment below. Matter of fact, for all the products that I'm going to show y'all today, comment below on what you think of them, or if you've tried them before and what your experience has been with them, because this is a haul. This is not experience. The other two products that I got from the drugstore was the CoverGirl, and this is in color 840, and this is their all day stay product, and it's similar to this other product by Maybelline that is what got me into my Chanel. As you can see, color 55 is very, very close. It's a little pinker, but this is very, very close to the Chanel I got. The difference is this is a high gloss. I'll just show you first off. This is a high gloss on the other end, and it's a liquid high gloss. See that? I believe it's a doe foot applicator, just like the Superstay is, only it's a different. This is a doe foot, meaning it's in the shape of a doe's foot. This is the same material as the doe foot, but it's in a different shape, and it has a little divot in the middle to capture product, and that does make it spread really nicely. Really nicely. So the difference is, this also has a doe foot applicator, but the difference is instead of having a high sheen gloss, it's got a product I would say is very similar to Vaseline. I don't know, I probably should, but it's a solid product. So I technically, I don't know if this will work or not. I could probably use this on this. Now here's what happens. A lot of times if you do that and it didn't come with it, like these two didn't come together. If you do that, it has a little bit of a candy smell, I like it. If you do that, it may make this now not 24 hour. It may make it run. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's not coming off. But anyway, plus the whole point of this is to be a matte finish. So I just like totally blew that. But it's not, it's hydrating a little, but not much. It doesn't dry out horribly, but it dries out enough that you're going, I wanted some moisture. Where would I get it? From your Color Stay. That's Super Stay Matte Ink. That's Color Stay, and it does have a moisturizer on the other end. And then this is CoverGirl's version, and it has the product doe foot applicator. They would have done wise to make a two-end product like this, so you don't have to carry two pieces. But there is pluses to that, because let's just say today I want to carry my Super Stay. Now it's a different brand, but I could just always keep this in my purse. This is just that same thing. It's that same kind of a Vaseline stick, and it just, I don't know. It makes it shiny and moisturized. A question is, does it remove, it also just made it more red. Does it remove the Super Stay power of it? But anyway, so that's CoverGirl's version. So even though they're not all on one thing, you know, like this is, like the Maybelline, this CoverGirl is Maybelline. I kind of like that you can take this separate if you wanted to. And I don't think it means you get any more product here. It looks about the same. I'd have to look at the ounces, but I do like all of them because I do. But my favorite of all in the whole universe of all universes is my Chanel. It just, I do. It feels different. It smells like chocolate when you put it on. It feels luxurious. It looks very shiny. But I have to say, if you're looking for something less expensive, the Maybelline has almost, for my soft rose, this 055 is a very good, does it have a color name or just a number? Perpetual Plum. Plum? I wouldn't have thought that was plum, but it is a little pinker. And then the Super Stay is number 80 Ruler. Okay, so that's that. What else did I get recently? Well, when I went to my hair salon, as y'all know, I decided to go a little darker for fall. I'm not sure I like that decision. I may have to go back and add some more highlights. I feel like it's just a little too dark, but it is fall. You know, it's going to be fall. And for fall, I like a little bit darker color. I still like highlights, but she did put some golden color in. Some golden, I don't know. And there were some products she gave me to use. First of all, I really did like the PUREOLOGY Hydrate Sheer shampoo. And what this is a silicone-free, light, airy feeling, concentrated formula, blah, 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 for fine hair. It's very herbal smelling, and it made my hair feel terrific. And then when I used the conditioner, that was a little different because it had like a, let me see what's in it, and I could tell you what it was that I sensed. Like a mint, you know, where it kind of tingles a little bit. And I don't like that smell on my hair. I like the herbal smell, but I didn't like the smell. But it did make my hair feel amazing. If you don't mind like a minty scent on your hair, or that sensation of, it makes it feel really clean. The sensation of a little bit of a, you know what mint does? It's kind of like peppermint. It just, it's not true tingle like some things, because sometimes I feel like those are too strong. Almost like a clarifier, but also it doesn't have a lot of excess product. That's why it's called sheer. And then I also got the PUREOLOGY Soft Finish Hairspray, and I think that was a good buy because I had tried the Hard Hold last time, and I wasn't happy with it because I felt like there was a lot of buildup on my hair for such a natural product. But this is not as much buildup. Of course, it doesn't have as much hold. This is going to go into 2 videos. So this will be haul 1 and haul 2. So when you come into